Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is LC with Law Crypto. Thank you for joining me today. So today I have a DEX that I think you're going to be interested in. It's something that recently dropped in 2021. And as you know, if you've been watching the market, DEX have been exploding right now, okay? So I think you're going to want to be interested to learn a little bit about what Zero is doing. I think you're going to want to stay tuned for this one. All right, it's one of them things. Stay with me. So hey guys, I'm gonna talk to you about Zero Exchange today. The ticker is Zero, Z-E-R-O, and we have a current price of 29 cents with a max supply of 1 billion. Currently right now we have 224 million in circulating supply with the market cap of 64 million, okay? Now we can actually get this project on Uniswap, and if you look down here at the chart, you see a 90-day chart. We have 3 nice waves there, and as the rest of the market, we took our dip. It came down as far as 16 cents from a high of 34, or excuse me, 35 to be exact. And so we're trading at a pretty good price now. It was a nice bounce, and as you can see here, our lowest price was 4 cents. So it looked like it's been doing pretty well. It came to market on January 19th, and I think this thing has some room to grow, especially because DEX are doing so well, right? All right, so let's get into why I think Zero Exchange should be one of your top AMMs on your list. Okay, so I'm on the Crypto Anonymous, and basically they have here who is behind Zero Exchange. So we have been keeping our eye on a new project which is making its round in DeFi circles, and that's Zero Exchange. And Zero Exchange is a new decentralized exchange with cross-chain swaps on Ethereum and soon Avalanche blockchain, promising zero fees and zero finality, okay? This is why this thing can speak volumes in the space that we're in right now with these high fees. So just diving over to Yahoo Finance, we have here introducing Zero Exchange powered by Avalanche blockchain. And this was at the end of December, and it says, "We are thrilled to announce Zero Exchange, the trustless decentralized exchange powered by the Avalanche blockchain. Inspired by Uniswap and its fork SushiSwap, Zero Exchange brings sub-second block times with near instantaneous transactions confirmation and zero trading fees for a rapid speed trading experience without gas or transaction costs." Now, built on Avalanche, Zero Exchange delivers the benefits of a sophisticated new blockchain that had its mainnet launch only a short month ago. Avalanche boasts Visa-level transaction speeds, is resilient to 51% attacks, is the only blockchain that supports multiple virtual machines, and delivers with sub-second transaction finality. Much like its predecessors Sushi and Zuni, Zero Exchange will be community-led and incorporate governance tokens to vote on proposals and distribute rewards. Users will be happy to also learn that yield farming, properly dubbed snow farms, will provide the community with opportunities to earn Zero by staking coins such as ETH, USDT, DAI, and many others. Alright, so I'm gonna link this article in the description, but let's get to the website. So here we have Zero, the instant crypto swaps, freezingly low fees. And so them just marketing the project on low fees, it's already going to attract more than half the market, because honestly, all retail investors, it doesn't matter if you're up to 1 million, in my mind, you still taking hits if you're trying to make trades. Like, I was making trades, maybe 6 trades in one day on the same coin. I'm gonna add up those fees as they come about. Now, what I'm primarily doing, especially because we're getting into the next wave of the bull cycle, I'm holding. So I'm doing more of a swing trade. I'm taking maybe 2-3 weeks or maybe a few months before I'm letting something go for profit. So I feel like a lot of people that's trading, they're definitely going to look at exchanges like this. Or hey, if you don't want to have any fees and have your profit taken from you, of course you're going to look at an exchange like this as well. So let's launch the app. Okay, so we have the snowflakes in the background, little Gucci with it. All right, so let me connect my wallet. Okay, and let's see what tokens they have. So they have ETH, BTC, DAI, AMN, Ample. Okay, so they have a pretty good amount. BAN, BAT. All right, so they have quite a few coins on here already. Engine just popped today. I'm gonna do an update video on that. I'm liking my options right now. Mana, Matic, okay. Yeah, so I just went through a lot of the list and it has kept scrolling down for more. So they have a lot of options on here. It's not going to be one of those exchanges that only carry about 20 options, i.e. Coinbase. But this thing, it sounds like is going to make some waves and try to take some market share with DEX, okay? So let's look at their blog. Okay, so Zero, the fastest decentralized exchange and automated market maker powered by Avalanche. I'm gonna link this down below as well so you guys can take a look at it. In our Avalanche postmortem, we stated about as loud as we could that it is time to warp speed our development with Polkadot via Kusama testnet and parachain collaboration. Oh, they're looking to jump into the Polkadot ecosystem. They're trying to hop on there and ride that wave. All right, so I like what I'm hearing. So assuming the parachain is ready, our goal is to land a DEX on Polkadot in Q1. All right, so we're in March right now. Let's see if they can get that done. This is our stated goal. Admittedly, there is a lot that must go right for us and our parachain partner to meet this goal, but it's a challenge we're excited to take on. We were the first DEX on Avalanche. We plan to be the first DEX on Polkadot. We plan to be the first DEX on Ethereum, Avalanche, and Polkadot. Boom, they said it. Zero's not playing. Zero coming for heads. I like it. I like that energy. All right, so I'm back on the swap feature right now. They got me pumped, they got me hyped. I'm about to make a trade just in case we do a little airdroppy drop in the near future. I'm gonna be set, you feel me? All right, so you know on this channel I like to find ways for us to make more money in multiple different ways. So what I'm gonna do here is make this trade. Now if you guys are interested in the Zero token, you definitely can buy and hold, and also if they was to do an airdrop, you don't have to buy. You can just hold and wait after you make a trade on their exchange to buy something that you was gonna already buy on Uniswap in the first place, right? So I'm about to check to see what the fees look like right now for you guys, and let me find something I like. You know what? I'm gonna buy Zero. I'm gonna buy Zero on Zero Exchange because, like I said, the DEX are booming right now, and I think this thing is gonna run. So let me buy a little small piece in Zero, and let's see what these fees look like. All right, so I'm gonna buy 200 coins, and yeah, let's swap. Let's see. Confirm swap 0.01. Okay, I like it. All right, so the fee is $27.66. The total is gonna be $87. So it's not ridiculously bad or anything like that. So gas right now is 102. It took about, what do you say? It took about maybe 30 seconds, I'd say 35 seconds. And boom, it just popped in. I didn't fast forward the screen. So yeah, it took about 35 seconds and I got my 200 Zero. All right, so let me look at a chart. Okay, I'm on DEX tools and we're gonna take a look at the Zero chart. Now you guys don't be like me. I just made that quick trade because I'm doing a video, but I will always look at the charts before I make a trade. So shame on me, but yeah, let's do it. So this is a 4-hour chart, and like I said, we opened up in the end of December. It's made a nice little run. Honestly, it looked like it did that nice pullback that all projects basically took a hit on, and it came back up. It might be a double top. So I bought around here. I bought at 29 cents, but let's see really quick. We have some resistance right there at 37 cents. It looked like it came up here for a double top, and the double tops are what? Bearish formations. So I wouldn't be surprised, honestly, if it took another dip down somewhere in here. Now, it doesn't mean that it's a bearish formation as far as the price or the project being a bad project. It is a bearish formation as in we can take a little dip, build up some steam around 25, 26 cents, and then blow through this resistance, okay? So while I'm looking at the full chart, let me go to a 2-hour. So the full chart is looking very bullish. Like all you see is this. Okay, so that's actually a pattern within itself. Once it does this, it consolidates, it shoots back up, consolidates, shoots back up, consolidates, shoots, and it just took a nice little break because we are, like I said, we took some steam out the boat this week. But let me see something else. I think I just found another pattern. It's a possibility that this could be making a cup and handle. Well, the handle hasn't started yet, but I'm seeing a cup here, and it's looking like a start to a beautiful cup and handle. I'm not sure if it's gonna build out yet. I don't have enough information for that, but if it does something like this, if it comes back and it does something like this, it has no problem shooting through the roof. Okay, so once we see how this starts to break out, if it starts going in what you would call a bearish formation, but that's a bull flag, and that's the handle to our cut pattern. If it happens, that is a huge bull signal. That is a huge bull signal, just so you know. So that's a possible formation that's forming. But like I said, I bought here at 29 cents, and I believe in this project. I think DEX are gonna be the next wave outside of NFTs, but DEX are running right now. So I hopped in it, and I'm not mad at it. Of course, I would always like to see the pattern that I see on the charts form first before jumping in. But yeah, I think this is a good project. Now let me take a quick step back. So I'm gonna build a fib retracement back where we started the move in January. And as you can see, oh man, that bounced perfectly off our 618. So nice bounce there on the 618. It looked like it bounced again on the 50 to make the move that we're in now. So it came up, bounced again on a 50. So it's building up some steam. But we gotta see where it goes. We gotta see how it handles this resistance. And the volume isn't really saying anything right now. Once we get to a level like this, I think that'll definitely be where we make our next move. So that is 119,000, and this move here, what's that? That's 3.9 million that made this move up here. Okay, so I think Zero Exchange is offering some great things in the space, especially if they're saying they're gonna cut down on fees and they're making lightning speed trades. All right, so that wraps up the video I had for Zero. I hope you enjoyed. Now definitely like, subscribe, and share this content. I'm gonna keep dropping this information to this community because I believe we all need to become profitable because we are the first adopters in this industry, okay? So if you like the Law of Crypto community, if you wanna be a part of the winners, please like and subscribe this video, and I'm gonna keep finding ways for us to make money. All right, one. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So before you go, one of the things I wanted to let you know about is token metrics. Now, I use token metrics to help me find winning projects, and what I built this community around is helping people find new ways to make money, okay? And I feel like token metrics is gonna help you become profitable in your portfolios. Now, what token metrics does is use artificial intelligence and machine learning to rank different cryptocurrencies and make sure you're getting the best for your money, okay? Now, what they do here is they look at the actual market cap rankings, they look at the code reviews, and they give you a quant grade based off what they learned through their artificial intelligence program and the machine learning that they leverage to make sure you're getting the best projects in your portfolios. They also have a toggle here to show if you're looking at an investment from a trader perspective or an investor perspective, okay? So it'll actually give you different ranked projects based off of how you're treating your portfolios. It'll show you top projects if you're a long-term investor and what you should invest in immediately, or if you're a trader, what will be the best bets for you to hold within a month span or for a quarterly or yearly span. So I definitely think this is a great tool, and it cuts down that learning curve to make sure you're gaining profit immediately. So check out the links below, and you can sign up for a trial. It'll give you 7 days to check out what they do here, and you can leverage some of their AI and machine learning, and you can cancel before the trial period is over. So for the different plans, they have a holder plan, investor plan, and professional plan. And as you can see, you can have a 7-day trial for the holder plan for only $199 and an investor plan for $499. You can cancel before the 7-day trial, or let's say if you wanted to start off with the investor plan for $499, and you can always switch over to the holder plan for $29.99 a month before that 7-day trial is over. So take a look at token metrics. I believe this will be a great service that you're doing yourself if you want to be a crypto millionaire or at least a crypto six-figure.